Hiroshima Day, 6th August. Hiroshima Day is observed annually on 6th August. The day commemorates the remembrance of the bombing attack on Hiroshima and Nagasaki by the United States during World War II in 1945. The bombings ended the Second World War. The day aims to promote peace politics against the war and to raise awareness about the threat of nuclear weapons and the dangers of nuclear energy. History. On 6 August 1945, more than 9,000-pound uranium-235 bomb was loaded aboard a modified B-29 bomber, dropped the world's first deployed atomic bomb over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. This happened during World War II, that is 1939 to 45. The explosion, which was caused due to the bombing, wiped out 90% of the city. It immediately killed 80,000 people and thousands later died due to radiation exposure. After 3 days on 9 August 2020, a second B-29 dropped another A bomb on Nagasaki. The second bombing killed an estimated 40,000 people. The then Japan's Emperor Hirohito announced Japan's unconditional surrender in World War II on 15th August, citing the devastating power of a new and most cruel bomb. Reason of US behind dropping the bomb. In Second World War, Japan was against America and its allies including Britain and Soviet Union. The allies were winning the war and Japan was pushed back from several locations. Fighting during war was very horrible. Several soldiers were dying every day. Japan had been at war for so many years, and as a result, countries near to it like China and Japan together had attacked America. Everywhere there were soldiers of Japanese troops and were very cruel. They were so cruel that the soldiers of Britishers and Americans who had surrendered were treated very badly by Japanese soldiers. The President of US, Harry S. Truman, wanted to surrender Japanese soldiers as quickly as possible so that he could save lives. So, he threw nuclear bomb with a view that Japanese, while seeing the destruction, will surrender. US wanted to avoid the invasion of Japan via land, as it could take around 250,000 US soldiers' lives because 2.5 million Japanese troops were stationed. According to some historians, US also wanted to avoid Japan being occupied by Soviet Union, and so America dropped nuclear bomb in Hiroshima, Japan. Damage caused in Hiroshima. When bomb was exploded in Hiroshima, Japan, the city was struck by a flash of blinding light and then a giant-shaped cloud was formed like a mushroom. In fact, with a 2.5 km of radius, the bomb blast had flattened the buildings. Before dropping of the bomb, there were around 90,000 buildings in the Hiroshima, and after bomb blast, only 28,000 were remained. Several thousands of people were killed and injured. The nuclear radiations that came out of the bomb when it was exploded caused horrible illness among people. Because of these injuries, thousands more people were died and the sickness caused due to the radiation followed weeks, months and years. Side effects of the Hiroshima bombing. A few years after the bombing, there occurred a spike in the incidence of leukemia amongst the survivors. After a decade, thyroid cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, and other forms of cancer were also observed at higher than normal rates. The other effects include pregnant women subjected to the bombing experienced higher rates of miscarriages and infant deaths. The children who were exposed to the radiations whilst in their mother's wombs were born with intellectual disabilities, impaired growth, and an increased predisposition towards developing cancer. The detonation of the plutonium bomb led to radioactive dust particles falling out of the sky around the site of the explosion. Water and wind currents carried the dust across a much larger radius, effectively contaminating the ground, water supply, and the food chain. The contamination spread amongst agricultural plants, aquatic creatures, and terrestrial animals. Scientists also expected the effect of radioactive contamination to remain in the environment and the atmosphere up to an extent for decades. Observance of the day. On Hiroshima Day, the city of Hiroshima holds the Peace Memorial Ceremony to console the victims of the atomic bombs. On this day, people pray for the realization of lasting world peace. A ceremony is held in front of the memorial cenotaph in the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. The families of the deceased and other participants from all over the world participate in the event. The first such ceremony was held in the year 1947 by the then Hiroshima mayor Shinzo Hamai. Hiroshima Peace Memorial Ceremony is held each year on 6th August since 1947. The ceremony also features special speeches with entreaties for peace from the Prime Minister of Japan. At 8:15 am on the morning of 6th August every year, people mark the exact moment when atomic bomb was dropped. At the moment, bell rings out at temples, sirens wail throughout the city, and the citizens of Hiroshima observe a sole moment of silence in remembrance. Peace Message Lantern Floating Ceremony is held on the evening of the day. People write messages of peace on the lanterns. It will be set afloat down the Motoyasu River, where they will pass directly in front of the atomic bomb dome. Each bear wishes for peace as the 10,000 lanterns afloat from the gathered attendees.